T7000 series is our generic signal generation and acquisition hardware. T7000P is the first variant of the T7000 series. Let us look at the analog out capabilities of T7000P. It supports 8 distinct channels for analog out. The behavior of all these channels are identical. Each of them can be used to generate steady voltages, standard waveforms like sine, sawtooth, rectangular, etc., and user-defined waveforms. Here is the actual setup. We are using our PC application software, called Automator Interactive, for demonstrating the T7000P capabilities. T7000P is connected to the PC using Ethernet. Let us pick the channel A01 for explaining the functionality. A01 is connected to an oscilloscope channel. The Automator Interactive has 3 types of widgets for generating different types of analog out signals. Let us look at them one after another. The first type is the basic analog out, which is for outputting a steady analog voltage output. Enter any voltage between -10 and +10 volts. As we change the voltage level in the widget, the voltage in the oscilloscope varies accordingly. Next, let us look at the second type of widget called Sig Gen Type A. As you can see, this supports the generation of 3 types of signals currently, that is, rectangular, sine, and sawtooth signals. Select rectangular function and fill in the related parameters. The generated signal matches the parameters we specified. Now, switch the function to sawtooth and fill in the parameters. The behavior is as expected. Next, repeat with sine function. This also behaves as specified. In addition to these 3 functions, we plan to add many more functions to Sig Gen Type A widget in the future. Let us look at the third type of widget called Sig Gen Type B. With this widget, The user can generate any kind of signal pattern specific for his or her needs. This row is for filling in the time values. And this row is for filling in the voltage values. Let us fill in a random pattern in the widget. As we type in the pattern, the graph panel of the widget updates the pattern dynamically. This helps in visualizing the pattern we are defining. The iterations parameter is of for specifying the number of times the pattern needs to be repeated. Let us leave it at 1 for now. Activate the widget. The generated signal, as seen in the oscilloscope, matches the pattern. Let us change the iteration to 3 and repeat the test. The oscilloscope capture shows that the pattern did repeat 3 times. Instead of 3, we can also specify a bigger number if we wish to repeat the pattern for a longer period. Let us change the pattern and repeat the process. This again works as expected. Note that the other 7 analog out channels behave exactly as A01 channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Setting up an interactive system or a full automation system is very easy and affordable with our products. We do have plenty of other example videos on the usage of our products. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.texarsystems.com or contact us through phone or email.